Why dare you? Why dare you?
All right, Abusia for Nyamishra Bibia. So John Dramani Mahama and Ato Forson are in a very big mess. Abusia for John Dramani Mahama Gonja Mafia. The Gonja Mafia na osi onu ontijai adise wo mafia mono osanka de ho biom. Obi beka se den esi. Mesi enena me no kasi. Uko cocoa farmers wa insema cocoa farmers eka no ekuafo no mu ye cocoa no ansema omu di tuja no ebusia utia ukra ye mbehye o ma babu ntia be blasting John Dramani Mahama the Gonja Mafia any Ato Fox na ansana me de mu be wura sa video no mesere se wo be follow account no ne fa sambo bell notification so na update bia be babia no o benye bia ebushafo enti yewremwe besi be in 2024 ye call ye campaigning time ni nyina no eba ho na John Dramani Mahama Ato Foxen ka ho ka kire akuafo koko akuafo se Nanado danko Akufo-Addo a ne timu edin. Osi omusi Nanado danko Akufo-Addo ne timu edin papa. Entina Nanado etukoko mu from 1,000 Ghana to 3,000. Inti anka se eyo omu NDC for ne wo so a anka omu di koko price na beko 7,000. Sana Ato Foxen. Any Gonja Mafia John Dramani Mahama akache ekuafo Abusiafo, Messi, ene, no, ekuafo buefu gidi.
The make Dr. Ato Forson say, on pay foundation be, no one Dr. Ato Forson Foundation. Na so why Dr. Ato Forson Foundation no, cocoa bag be a metie biano, may 128 cedis 75 pesos. Abeno the chairman who said, without say 128 cedis 75 pesos, no, young ye better say. It was the only foundation. Every cocoa bag be a metie biano. Me donate 28 cedis 75 pesos. I'm on foundation. Now I'm who say 28 cedis 75 pesos. No free me cocoa bag this one. Mingu.
Na mwa ya bien cocoa. Mudi kwedi sika kikiribie. Sika kikiribie. Mudi cocoa kwedi. Why dare you? Me brano. Me brano. Why dare you? Why dare you? Are they 200 Ghana cedis? Nuru. We the two cocoa mu. Mo tuateme. Me kwaka mo tuateme. Mo macheme. Mo nkume. Ya mo pano. Mo nya. Yabre. Okuafo yabre.
Right, Honorable Speaker, the cocoa farmer cannot be paid less than 6,000 Ghana cedis per bag. Old Ghana cedis, 60 million old Ghana cedis per bag. The payment of 6,000 Ghana cedis per bag is critical because cocoa farmers deserve the benefit of their hard labor.
Namwa ya bien cocoa mudi kwedi sika kikiribie. Mudi cocoa kwedi. Why dare you? Me brano. Why dare you? Are they 200 Ghana cedis? Nuru. We the two cocoa mu. Mo tuateme. Me kwaka mo tuateme. Mo macheme. Mo nkume. Ya mo pano. Mo nya. Yabre. Okuafo yabre.
Abusiafo se mo amahu. Bohu de ekoso. Mohu de ekoso. Akuafo no omu buefu papa. Omusi John Dramani Mahama ni Ato Forson ambu omu baku se. Inti adada na ombedada omu. Omu kotoa ba ma omu. No. And we it 120 cedis. Enuna eye incremental. Musi omudia to cocoa price and so. They are so much disappointed in this government. And a Ghana for bisu bisase. Anye bia inti way adi way inti na musi and the MPP will stay in opposition for 20 years. Adi amuye enuna ya musi ena kakra aban papa aba Ghana for the Bissau. See, until way muna musi and MPP will stay in opposition for 50 years. And I will make sure I send NPP to remain in opposition for 50 years. Way more na. Question na Ghana for Bisa because omu for papa. Because omu krasi. If not say dada nan John Dramani Mahama abe dada omoa and akene ekuafo koko ekuafo omu ma ebe ko university free. Because they have almost a GDA award. President John Drama they have that a GDA award. President Nana Dango Akufo-Addo and Dr. Bamun Bamiamu because they have done it before. Because to meet the cocoa price from 1,000 to 3,000. That is so big in the history of Ghana. Who's had in the product. But this Nana Dango Akufo-Addo now to meet
na mo ayɛ koko mudi kwedi sika kikiribie mudi koko kwedi why dare you me ame brano awurade nyame why dare you ada 200 Ghana cedis anuru mudi tu koko mu mo tuateme me kwaka mo tuateme mo mecheme mo nkume ya mo pano mo nya yabre okuafo yabre eyam.
Oh, it is very, very sad. It is sad. It is sad to see these cocoa farmers lamenting. Very, very, very bad. Because of John Dramani Mahama. A bravo opposition. You were making noises. As if say, Ube to my bibi. You told these people what catch say. You will increase the cocoa price to 7,000. President John Dramani Mahama and Ato Fox and Dennis. What has happened to those promises that you've made to these cocoa farmers? What has happened? A Dennis. What has happened? Why would you even make this thing a case today? The cocoa farmers also mumpie no mumbekasa. Hane a dada just for power. See wanya power no. Niamana wa kachiro muse obeyeno. Up to now, one year mu half. Now yesu got two bibima handed Ghana. It's waiting now. We will see, and now NPP is going to stay in opposition now. We muntia, we handed Ghana, cocoa na Dango Akufo-Addo, it took from 1,000 to 3,000. Would you handed Ghana? What a shame. I'll bow my head in shame because it's a very big insult to the people. Go for no bre mo. Munim de wa go for bre. I was a cocoa farming. And all you can do, all you people can think about, and they say, you have increased it to 100 Ghana. And yeah, Anka say, you should even try.